Hello everyone. I'm pleased to share with you our work titled Listen to the Pixels. This was a joint work performed by Sanjay Choudhury, Shubhrajyoti Dasgupta, Sudeep Das and Professor Ujjwal Bhattacharya. First, let us understand what is audiovisual co-segmentation. For the sake of simplicity, let us consider three non-overlapping frames from a video. Here we can see a kid moving on a toy car that is producing the sound. The goal of this task is to predict the sound producing objects in the video and additionally separate out the different sounds present in the video. Thus, as the output, we get the segmented out sound producing objects and the corresponding separated sounds. This task has seen much importance in the computer vision community in the past couple of years and has a myriad of applications like understanding which parts of the image are producing sound, independent volume control of different sound sources, removal of specific audio sources, independent audio adjustments of different sound sources, moving vehicle tracking, and many others. However, there are some major challenges in this task for scenarios like only one sound producing object among many others, multiple but similar sound producing objects in the wild, one sound producing object occluding the others, distant sound producing objects, and most importantly, lack of well annotated data. Previously, there have been some related work that are contributed by the community. Few of such major works include an unsupervised learning algorithm for the separation of sound sources in one-channel music signals was proposed by Tuomas Virtanen. A network that can localize the object that sounds in an image given the audio signal was proposed by Relja et al. Zhao et al. Proposed Pixel Player, a system to locate image regions which produce sounds and separate the input sounds that represents the sound from each pixel. Audiovisual event localization by jointly taking both audio and visual features at each time segment as inputs was proposed by Lin et al. In our research work, the major contributions are efficient blending of audiovisual information through Logan, a novel spatial attention block, partially occluded sound source segmentation, audio intensity cue guided segmentation of multiple sound sources, outperforming existing SOTA methods in joint audiovisual segmentation in unconstrained setting. In our proposed work, we aim to solve the joint audiovisual segmentation problem in a self-supervised manner by leveraging the audio and visual modalities. Our network is able to blend cross-modal information more efficiently to extract the high-level semantic information. And more importantly, it works equally well even in cases of occluded sound source segmentation and also the segmentation of multiple but similar acoustic sources. Here is a detailed diagram of the entire proposed network. If one closely follows the network, one can mainly see two streams that are present in the network. First, the visual feature stream and the second, audio feature stream. The visual feature stream is responsible to extract the visual features for the purpose of doing segmentation with the help of audio signal. We make use of deformable convolution-based deep residual network backbone to extract a dense feature representation. The visual segmentation path also comprises the spatial attention block to enable a transformer network-based encoder-decoder to obtain an attention map of the sound-producing objects. We use a feature pyramid network to extract the multi-channel learned attention-based features to get the segmentation map. In the audio feature stream, to convert the audio signals into spectrograms, we use STFT with a window size and hop length of 1022 and 256 respectively. Audio separation module performs the feature extraction using an audio unit that is later used along with visual features for the sound source separation task. Now we would like to highlight a few of the important parts of AvisNet. After the audio and visual features are obtained, it is very important to efficiently fuse them to facilitate cross-modal learning. We thus introduce Logan for the purpose. Logan Fusion module is used to allow high-level associations of audio and video features by capturing semantic information. The aggregated fusion feature map is obtained using a few convolution layers over the visual features and the pixel-wise multiplication of the audio features and the attention map. Elaborating further, attention map empty is obtained by sum pooling followed by power and L2 normalization. Values in the attention map ranges between 0 and 1, where 0 represent non-coherence between audio and visual cues and 1 represent high association among them. The aggregate feature map FAGG can be formulated as the given formula. This novel approach of cross-modal information blending turns out to be very efficient for the task. We apply binary mask with per pixel sigmoid cross-entropy loss for training. To capture sound sources that are partially occluded in nature, we use hide and detect approach where we mask the occluded sound source features before feeding into the transformer encoder for training. Curriculum learning strategy is used by initially masking the entire acoustic source and gradually masking smaller segments in order to train the network for occluded source segmentation tasks. We use an audio guided strategy to segment multiple but similar sound sources present in the visual scene. We must notice that audio intensity is faint for objects that are at greater depths from the point of recording. We follow our previous work to detect the presence of another instance of the same kind. Results show that by using audio information, the network is able to segment multiple but similar sound sources. We extensively perform our experiments using the audio-visual event AVE dataset. Here is a comparison of our model AvisNet with other contemporary methods. Here is an abelian table where we compare the usefulness of Logan with other fusion strategies like element-wise addition, element-wise multiplication, or a simple concatenation of the audio and visual features. Here we present few of the visual results that we have obtained using AvisNet. To conclude, we leverage the concurrency between audio and visual modalities in an attempt to solve the joint audio-visual segmentation problem in a self-supervised manner. We propose a novel audiovisual fusion network Logan which captures high-level semantic information leading to superior performance of AvisNet. We are the first to address the partially occluded sound source segmentation task. In future, we plan to scale this task for more complex scenarios like in-the-wild acoustic sources and for more accurate segmentation and separation of sound sources. Thank you for your patience. Please feel free to contact us for any queries related to the research work. Thank you.